Hello. Now move to the different kind of question of time and work. And in this question, you will learn to solve that type of question where one person worked for a certain time and then left the job, and the remaining time is completed by some other person. तो इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में क्या होता है, जब कोई इंसान किसी काम को कुछ दिनों के लिए करता है and then he or she left the job and further the remaining work is done by some other person. Now look at the screen. A can do a piece of work in 80 days. He worked it for 10 days and then B alone finishes the remaining work in 42 days. Now in how much time will A and B working together finish the work? Here आपको A और B working together कितना टाइम लगता है ये निकालना है. So if you able to solve a question like this, what is A plus B is one day work. अगर आप A plus B के one day work निकाल लिए, then it is very simple to calculate the entire work completion date. Okay, that how much time both will take to complete the entire job. Now, so in this question, first you take A's one day work, first you calculate A's one day work and then B's one day work. A's one day work is given to you because A can complete a job in 80 days. Okay, A can complete a job in 80 days. So what is A's one day work? What is A's one day work? So A's one day work is 1 by 80 days. It is mentioned in the question, no problem at all. Now you need to calculate what is B's one day work. So it is quite difficult. Not difficult, but with the help of some process you can calculate. So now what are the other parameter is mentioned? Now A work for 10 days. For 10 days. तो A ने कितने दिन काम किया है? 10 दिन काम किया है. So how much work A will complete? So A's one day work is how much? A's one day work is how much? 1 by 80. So what is A's 10 days work? So A's 10 days work is how much? Multiply by 10. So that means A's 10 day work is what? 1 by 8. 1 by 8 work completed by A. Now what is remaining work left for B? So remaining work is how much? Remaining work. So my remaining work is equal to 1 minus 1 is entire work minus 1 by 8. You need to subtract 1 by 8 by 1. You will get the remaining work. 8 was 8 minus 1, 7 by 8 work need to be completed, which is done by B. So B complete the remaining 7 by 8 work, which is your remaining work. Remaining work in how many days? 42 days. So 7 by 8 work, remaining work B complete in 42 days. इसका मतलब ये हुआ अगर complete work करना होता तो B can take more days. You got my point? 7 by 8 work B completed in 42 days. तो पूरा तो है नहीं. So how much time B take to complete the entire work? Definitely it is more than 42 days. So how you will calculate the complete work done by the complete time taken by the B to complete the total work? So B complete the entire work in how many days? Look at here, this is work value given to you and here the days is given to you, right? 7 by 8 work, 42 days. Now, so how much time B take? So how much time B take to complete the entire work, or you can say the total work completed by B is how much? 42 is 7 by 8. Total work is how much? You simply reverse the value. So this value is how much? This value is 8 by 7. So since work and time is reversed in order, so a 42 multiplied by 8 by 7, I am just reciprocate this value to convert into time. So 7 6 are 42. So B can complete the entire work in 48 days, which is higher than this value. Since 7 by 8 work is completed by 42 days, so B can complete the entire work in 48 days. Now you can calculate what is B's 1 day work. 1 day work. So my B's 1 day work, since B is complete entire work in 48 days, so B's 1 day work is 148. Now you know A is 1 day work, which is what, 1 by 80, and you already know what is B's 1 day work, 1 by 40. So 1 by 48. A's 1 day work is 1 by 80. B's 1 day work by 1 by 48. Now I am writing here. A's 1 day work. 1 day work is 1 by 80. What is B's 1 day work? 1 day work is how much? 1 by 48. You simply add this both. So what is A plus B's 1 day work? So this is what, 1 by 80 plus 1 by 48. So you take LCM 80 and 48. So you can take 8 tens are 8 6 are 6 10 1 and then 10. So this is what, 8 6 are 48, 480. So my 480 will be the LCM. So 480 will be the LCM. 6 10 gone plus 10 10 gone. So you will get 16 divided by 480. 16 1 the 16, 16 3 the 48, 30. So B plus A plus B 1 day work is how much? 1 by 30 days. 1 by 30 days. तो 1 by 30 days मतलब A B plus B का 1 का कंप्लीट दिन कितना है? कंप्लीट A plus B 1 day work is what 1 by 30. तो in terms of day, what is the value? So A B plus B's complete the entire work in how many days? 30 days. Just reverse this value. Okay. So A plus B can complete the entire work in 1 by 30. So this is the question. This is the concept. जहां डाउट है मुझे लगता है थोड़ा बहुत आपको यहां पर होगा. So I am just going to give you idea that why this value is reversed you are putting over here. Okay, so look at the different approach, different method. I am going to clear you this concept. Okay, so I hope this will clear to all of you. Now the second, suppose if A can do entire work in 30 days, I just give you the idea that why you are putting this work value reverse in order. Okay, so A can complete the entire work in 30 days. Okay, so what is A's 1 day work? 1 day work. So my A's 1 day work is what? 1 by 30. Okay, what is A's 2 day work? So my A's 2 day work is how much? Multiply by 2, it means 1 by 15. Okay, what is my A's 10 day work? So my 10 day work is how much? 1 by 30 multiply by 10, it means 1 by 3 work already completed. Okay, what is A's 15 day work? 15 day work. So my A's 15 day work is how much? 1 by 30 multiply by 15, it means 1 by 2, it means 1 by 2 half work is completed in 15 days. Because total is what? 30 days. So 15 days work is what? 1 by 2. It means half work you completed in 15 days. So what is A's 30 days work? So my A's 30 days work is how much? 1 by 30 into 30, it means 1. 1 means entire job is completed. So if A take 30 days to complete a job, so what is A's 15 day work? Is 1 by 2. Now, so this is why I am multiplying the day into a time, so that you will get how much work is completed in different days. Okay, now look at here. Suppose if A's half day work, half day, please keep in mind, so if A complete half work in 15 days, suppose this is the question. If A complete half work in 15 days, then how much time A take to complete the entire job? 15 multiplied by, reverse this value, 2:1, you will get 30. If this value is given to you in a numerical problem, that A complete half work, this is work, half work in 15 days. So how much time A take to complete entire work? 15 multiplied by 2/1. Just reverse this value, you will get 30. The same concept apply here. If B 7 by 8 work is completed in 48 days, so how much time B take to complete entire work? 42 multiplied by, reverse this value, 8 by 7, like here. Now I think this is clear to you that why I am multiplying this 8 by 7 in this value. So you will get 48 days. Okay. So I hope Now this is clear to you that why I am multiplying the reverse value of work in time. So always keep in mind, if the work is given to you, time value is reverse in order. If time value is given to you, work is reverse in order. Clear? So this is the concept of such kind of question, जहां पर क्या बोलते हैं, एक बंदा कुछ टाइम काम करता है, उसके बाद चला जाता है, तो आपको ये निकालना है कि वो जो बंदा गया है काम छोड़ करके, वो कितने दिन में कितना काम कर चुका होगा, फिर रिमेनिंग वर्क कितना बच गया, उसको किसने बंदे ने कंप्लीट किया. सो इस तरीके से जैसे क्वेश्चन गिवन होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है. सो दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन. नाउ द सेम प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड ऑन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. नाउ हियर द क्वेश्चन इज A can complete a job in 60 days. Now A worked for 10 days and then left the job. And the remaining work is completed by B in 36 days. The remaining work is completed by B in 36 days. Now how much time A plus B together can complete the entire job? So A plus B के entire job को निकालने के लिए, number of days find out करने के लिए, you need to calculate A plus B's one day work. Now A complete a job in 60 days. So A's one day work is how much? A's one day work is given to you. One day work is equal to 1 by 60. This is 1 by 60 work completed by A in one day. Clear? Now A worked for 6 days. So since A's one day work is equal to 1 by 60. So what is A's 6 day work? So you need to multiply. So 6 day work is how much? 1 by 10. So it means that A completed 1 by 10 work and then left it. Now what is remaining work? My remaining work is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10, that is equal to 9 by 10. So 9 by 10 is my remaining work. So this is the work value. So 9 by 10 work is done by B in 36 days. Now B completed 9 by 10 work in 36 days. So how much time B take to complete the entire work? This is the work ratio. So you simply multiply the reverse the value in this. I hope this will understand now. So 36 multiplied by 10 by 9. So 9 4 is 36. So B can complete the work. Complete work in how many days? 40 days. So B complete the entire work in 40 days. So what is B's one day work? So my B's one day work is equal to how much? 1 by 40. Yes. Now I'm putting over here. What is my B's one day work? So B's one day work is what? 1 by 40. Now it is easy to calculate. Now what is A plus B's one day work? You need to add A plus B. So my A plus B's one day work is equal to 1 by 60 plus 1 by 40. I am adding both equation number 1, equation number 2. You will get this. Now this is what? This is LCM of this value is what? 120. 6 2s are 2, 4 3s are 3. So you will get 5 by 121. Right? So this is B's one day work. A plus B's one day work is what? 5 by 120. So how much time A plus B together take to complete the entire job? Just reverse the value. So this is 120 by 5. You will get 5 to the 20, 5 4 the 5 to the 10, 5 4 the 20. So A plus B can do the entire work in for 24 days. So this is the question, this is the concept. I hope this question is easier now, that whenever one person left, another person joined, remaining work funda, and why I am multiplying the reverse work value to the time. So these all things now it's clear to all of you. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much.